How to turn off or restart Android device. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to turn off or restart Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To turn off your Android device, simply press and hold the power button on your device. The power button usually found on the top right corner of the screen or side of your screen. Once you press and hold on it, a menu appears on the screen. In the menu, you can see the power off option. Simply with the help of the slider, you can slide towards the down and power off your device. Your device will begin the shutdown process. You have to wait for a few moments for it to completely power down, and your device will be turned off. In order to restart your Android device, simply do the same process. Press and hold on the power button, just like turning off your device. And once you do that, in the menu, look for the restart or reboot option. You need to slide towards the restart and then restart your device. Your device will shut down and automatically power back on. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Once you have done that, you will successfully turn off or restart your device. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.